I'm gonna zoom in my camera. And first of all, guys, actually, let's go ahead and just play with the knife a little bit here. Wow, that is actually pretty strong. I just want to show you guys what happened. You guys can see there's a lot of scratches on the back already, but there's no crack. I wasn't able to get it where it just shatters everywhere all at once. So I guess Apple is doing something right, but let's go ahead and find out the true test, which will be the hammer. You guys can see some of the scratches here on the back. That's definitely permanent. So I've got my 3-pound hammer, and first thing we're going to do is just give it a drop from about 3-4 inches. Looks good. Still good. A little higher. Wow. Just like that. Oh my goodness. There's a crack right there. Still works. Let me go and show you guys. Wow, that's kind of unique. It just goes all in a circle here. So let's go ahead and just continue, shall we? Okay, there's another one. It's kind of easy to damage though, gotta say. Look at that. Still works. Wow. Pretty cool. Look at the back. The back shattered like crazy after those hammer hits. Still works though. Yo, you still want to work? You still want to work? You still want to work? This phone is, look at that. Still showing some signs of life here. There you go, guys.
One. Trigger. Please tell me I triggered in time. Yes. We triggered in time, heck yeah. We are ready to review the epicness. Oh my god, the sunlight gleaming off of the katana right now. Looks absolutely ridiculous. The katana is winding back. Jeez, let's see, hopefully it's a really good hit. Oh my god, here comes the blade. Oh, it's gonna be a good, clean hit too. The gleam of the sunlight, and then, whoa, oh my god. Just demolish them, showering glass and phone bits everywhere. That is so much glass dust. It is just literally snowing glass dust right now. Insanely epic slow motion. Let's go check out those phones and see how they're faring after that ridiculous katana hit. Oh my god, I see the Note 9 already. Look at this thing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Looks like the XS Max went flying a lot further. I don't know where back here though. Found the iPhone XS Max. Look at this thing. Oh my god. Oh. Would you just look at that thing? It is absolutely demolished. These phones are absolutely wrecked. I mean, they're hot to the touch. I don't know if that's the lithium-ion battery on the inside. I'd say the XS Max definitely lost out when it came to this katana test. What do you guys think? Were you right? Were you wrong? Let me know in the comments down below. We'll see you guys in the next one.
This is in perfect condition. We're going to do a simple corner drop test from about 5 feet or shoulder length. I'm going to go ahead and raise the phone here. And let's go ahead and do it in about 3, 2, 1. Let's go ahead and take a quick look just to see what happened. So there's no crack on the display. Wow, there's a huge abrasion here, or mark on this corner, as you guys can see from that impact. A little bit of some scratching here. And the front-facing iPhone X drop test in 3, 2, 1. 1. Let's take a look. Okay. So, yeah, there you go. There's the crack. There's just a couple of them, so nothing too extensive. But hopefully you guys can see that with that lighting. There's that crack down here. That wasn't too high. I would say it was a little less than 5 feet. And it, there was a little bounce to it, but the screen did shatter. I'm going to actually try one more drop test on the front just to see if I could get a really flat one. If not, that'll be it. But let's try just one more. So final iPhone X front-facing drop test in 3, 2, 1. There you go. That was far better and more accurate. And okay. Yeah, so a lot more damage now along this corner especially. Multiple cracks going along the edges here, this corner. So this phone is cracked. It's still working. Everything is fine. Obviously the back didn't shatter. It didn't really land on the back. Thanks for watching. As always, stay tuned for more videos. And as always, peace out.